watching it. Like, guys, it is so beautiful. Like, this cup is enough. And
tell me what you see in me.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Good morning. This is past 2 a.m. in the morning, if you can see, past 2 a.m. and I just want to to just clean the house. I went to the market, guys. What is happening? Things are freaking expensive, guys. I left that market, I nearly cried in that market. Like, I ran out of the market. What is happening? We should just help ourselves. So we should help ourselves. The change that we are talking about is not going to come from one person. Election is around the corner and we are just thankful to God. I just pray and I hope that this election will just come out peacefully and all of that. Guys, please do it by smashing that subscribe button if you haven't yet subscribed, and turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever we upload any video. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please drop your lovely comment. Yeah, so guys, just come along with me as I clean.
Let go. Let go. I've been a winner from childbirth. Please talk to my hand if you got a bad breath. I'm unbeatable, I really got a tough strength. The world greatest, all is my best friend. I sold poverty for riches to avoid a mess. I'm too classy for a loser, so I take a bold step, get my private plan.
So guys, at this point I had to make do with my broom. Guys, trust me, this is so magical. There are lots of places that your brush cannot actually go into to bring out the dirt, like underneath your chairs and on the rug and all of that. Guys, ensure that you always use your broom underneath the chair. There are so many dirts there. This broom, it does the magic. It really does the magic.
Dude, baby, I'm a rich man, rich fly boy, yeah, baby, I'm a rich boy, baby, I'm a rich dude, baby, I'm a rich man, rich I'm grateful morning, cause I never wanna lag. The street I live. If it's still from a vine, yet I'll take it from your lips. This is me, Holyjoezy. Take a lead, take your lead, boy. Baby, I'm a rich dude. Baby, I'm a rich man, rich fly boy, yeah. Baby, I'm a rich boy. Baby, I'm a rich dude. Baby, I'm a rich man, rich I'm grateful morning, cause I never wanna lag. My game's on the track, ever racing for the cash. Doing what I love most, ever speeding, never crash. Time tells better what it's all about. My grind not in vain, cause I never had a doubt. Always pick a ribbon when life knocks me down. What you feel to know when I fall, I take a bounce. Fame, money, power, I desire large amounts. It takes sacrifice to get on the prom. Life made easy, like rolling dice. Storing shit in your mind, get a temporize. God forgives, but I don't. There's the bad side of me. You can say Holyjoezy's fucking man. Stand by me, I stand by you. We scratch our backs. Real brothers fight together like a wrestle tag. Real bond get hustlers to the promised land. I'm destined to be rich, though I'm fucking black. Baby, I'm a rich boy. Baby, I'm a rich dude. Baby, I'm a rich man, rich fly boy, yeah. Baby, I'm a rich boy. Baby, I'm a rich dude. Baby, I'm a rich man, rich fly boy. Baby, I'm a rich boy. Baby, I'm a rich dude. Baby, I'm a rich man, rich fly boy. Never take a break, keep spending till the break. money still flowing, no regret. From night to the morning we operate. Even the church we fix a dead. When money talks, no don't complain. I'm so fly, so far like space. Keep on drinking A's and spades. Life not so sweet when money is not noisy. I keep fucking while money keeps coming. After a long day we go ahead popping. Should you wanna know, money makes me head blow. Money is the bow and I'm the arrow. It takes me everywhere I ever wish to go. My Lambo, all yellow, always blazing like volcano. Money turn me around like tornado. Yeah. Boy, baby I'm a rich dude. Baby I'm a rich man. Rich, fly boy. Yeah. Baby I'm a rich boy. Baby I'm a rich dude. Baby I'm a rich man. Rich, fly boy. Baby I'm a rich boy. Baby I'm a rich dude. Baby I'm a rich man. Rich, fly boy. Holyjoezy. When the money's stuck in the bullshit is busy walking around, y'all know. Yeah, I can die in pains, never. I love money. Let go. Let go. I've been a winner from childbirth. Please talk to my hand if you got a bad breath. I'm unbeatable, I really got a tough strength. The world greatest, Ollie is my best friend. I sold poverty for riches to avoid a mess. I'm too classy for a loser, so I take a bold step, catch my private plane. Rap my rhymes, cook my beat like Timberland. Keep my hustle straight, never had a change of plan. In a battlefield my parents failed to conquer. I think it's about time, hold my grounds like Spartan. I see no haters cause all haters motherfucker. Awesome make niggas stage, that ain't part of me. I have respect for the street, in the street I live. If it's steal from a vine, yet I'll take it from your lips. This is me, Holyjoezy. Take a lead, take your lead, boy. Baby I'm a rich dude. Baby I'm a rich man. Rich, fly boy. Yeah. Baby I'm a rich boy. Baby I'm a rich dude. Baby I'm a rich man. Rich, I'm hungry for money, cause I never wanna lag. My game's on the track, ever racing for the cash. Doing what I love most, ever speeding, never crash. Time tells better what it's all about. My grind not in vain, cause
Like this cup is enough. Is enough. Oof, guys, this girl is tired. I just need to rest, guys. Just guess the time. This is the time. Can you see? This is past 3. Can you see? Past 3. This girl is tired. The body needs to rest. You know. We'll continue our cleaning tomorrow.
Get her like a wrestle tag. Real born get hustlers to the promised land. I'm destined to be rich, though I'm fucking black. Baby I'm a rich boy. Baby I'm a rich dude. Baby I'm a rich man.
Hey guys, good morning. Okay, so this is 10:30. I actually woke up this time, like need to just go, you know, clear up the kitchen and all of that. Laundry, I was supposed to do laundry, but I will not be doing it in this video. It might just be like the part 2. Yeah, so just come along with me, guys.
No regret, from night to the morning we operate. Even the church we fix a dead. When money talks, no don't complain. I'm so fly, so far like space. Keep on drinking A's and spades. Life not so sweet when money is not noisy. I keep fucking while money keeps coming. After a long day we go ahead popping. Should you wanna know, money makes me head blow. Money is the bow and I'm the arrow. It takes me everywhere I ever wish to go. My Lambo, all yellow, always blazing like volcano. Money turn me around like tornado. Yeah. Baby I'm a rich boy. Baby I'm a rich dude. Baby I'm a rich man. Rich, fly boy. money stuck in the bullshit is busy walking around, y'all know. Yeah, I can die in pains, never. I love money. Let go. Let go. I've been a winner from childbirth. Please talk to my hand if you got a bad breath. I'm unbeatable, I really got a tough strength. The world greatest, Ollie is my best friend. I sold poverty for riches to avoid a mess. I'm too classy for a loser, so I take a bold step, catch my private plane. Rap my rhymes, cook my beat like Timberland. Keep my hustle straight, never had a change of plan. In a battlefield my parents failed to conquer. I think it's about time, hold my grounds like Sparta. I see no haters cause all haters motherfucker. Awesome make niggas stage, that ain't part of me. I have respect for the street, in the street I live. If it's still from a vine, yet I'll take it from your lips. This is me, Holyjoezy. Take a lead, come on. Take your lead, boy. Baby, I'm a rich dude. Baby, I'm a rich man. Rich, fly boy. Yeah. Baby, I'm a rich boy. Baby, I'm a rich dude. Baby, I'm a rich man. Rich, I'm hungry for money, cause I never wanna lag. My game's on the track, ever racing for the cash. Doing what I love most, ever speeding, never crash. Time tells better what it's all about. My grind not in vain, cause I never had a doubt. Always pick a ribbon when life knocks me down. What you fail to know, when I fall I take a bounce. Fame, money, power, I desire large amounts. It takes sacrifice to get on the prom. Life made easy, like rolling dice. Storing shit in your mind, get a temporize. God forgives, but I don't, there's the bad side of me. You can say Holyjoezy's fucking man. Stand by me, I stand by you, we scratch our backs. Real brothers fight together like a wrestle tag. Real bond get hustlers to the promised land. I'm destined to be rich, yo, I'm fucking black. Baby, I'm a rich boy. Baby, I'm a rich dude. Baby, I'm a rich man. Rich, fly boy. Yeah.
Yo guys, so I'm done with the cleaning. I know that you know, the bedroom and the toilets, they are still left out. I don't want this video to be very long, so yeah, I will be ending it here. I hope this video is a motivation to someone to clean their homes and clean, you know once your home is just clean, to be refreshed and all of that, you know that good smell and all of that. So I hope this is a motivation for someone to clean their homes, to clean their space. Yeah guys, if you love this video or if you find it very helpful, please give it a thumbs up, drop your lovely comments, so smash that subscribe button. If you are still watching me, you haven't clicked that subscribe button, smash the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, bye.
Money is the bow and I'm the arrow. It takes me everywhere I ever wish to go.